So
Yeah, that would
man,
take.
even even that, even making 1,000 every 2 weeks,
Mhm.
um, even that it wasn't enough. It was only enough when I didn't have a car.
Right.
I didn't have insurance. I didn't have my car note, and I didn't have gas. You know, I didn't have to pay for gas. When I did that, man, I started seeing the bank account. I was like, wow.
Right. Right. Right.
Somehow,
Sigarilyo. Sigarilyo. Balikjis.
yeah. So it's.
That's why a lot of people nowadays, the teenagers, they stay at home. They don't move out.
Yeah,
They stay
hey, wala
home.
pula.
And people do
Oh,
order
I see
and
it.
say how much to give you. Oh, you see it.
People do our Instacart. It shows how much tip they'll give you.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's good. If you can make it with that, then man, you got it made right there. I never, I, I never seen that in Texas. So if you're making it in Connecticut, that's good.
Quart.
Huh?
Quart.
Fil-
Puti. Ito Instacart that Target. Public.
Huh?
Yeah, it's anybody. It's like anybody.
Po, puti. Natin the public. Puti.
Okay.
Oh.
10.
Oh. You have to pay the, yeah, Eva. Your
Enough
bill.
to pay the bills. Yeah.
Yeah.
More than 300 retail brands. There's over 300 retailers that use Instacart. Instacart's its own thing. Publix uses it, but a whole bunch of people do.
I heard another. I heard another good one is the one that is for Walmart. I don't.
Mm.
I forgot what they call it. It's like
Yeah, I
you
know.
go, like you delivering. It's another service. All you do is go to Walmart, like and you pull into their little thing where they tell you, and then the workers they go and then they put all the grocery bills, the grocery stuff there, and then all you have to do is go to the address and drop it off.
Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Uh,
Yeah.
that one was getting pretty big when I was leaving Texas. I remember I was trying to do it. Um, but yeah, I heard that one pays pretty good, and you don't got to deal with picking up people or nothing.
Yeah, yeah. You just pick up the groceries and then go deliver.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. It's not like Instacart where, cause Instacart you have to go inside and then like get all the things. Like
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You
yeah, you
have to
have to.
do the shopping.
Yeah, you're like a shopper also and delivering and
Yeah. Send it to them. Might
yeah, you order in Walmart, then someone picks it up and takes it. Yeah, that's what I used to do. Like, because I didn't have a car, trying to save money or whatever. So I get my groceries delivered through Walmart. I'll go to Walmart.com
Right.
and I'll buy the stuff. And like you'll say, it's an hour, and it's pretty convenient. Cause like I used to get off at 3, well 2:45. I used to leave 15 minutes early. uh, and so by the time I get home, like the things were already
Wow.
yeah ready to go. Uh, and man, yeah, it's actually dope, man. Like I have a car, so I order some things. If I was at home, you can also buy beer from there. They'll just check your ID whenever you get there, get it delivered. Yeah, yeah, man. It's very convenient, very convenient.
duck, duck, duck.
that last the last month or two